how to activate VoLTE on your iPhone. So if you want to activate VoLTE on your iPhone, then it's super easy to enable, and I'm here to guide you through the steps. So first, you need to activate your VTE and cellular settings. Follow the steps. First, you need to open up your settings on your iPhone and then tap on the cellular option or the mobile option. Once you're on your mobile, now tap on cellular data options or mobile data options. Now look for the option called Enable LTE or Voice and Data. Tap on it. Next, select either 4G or 5G. Just a heads up, VTE only works on 4G or 5G. So it won't work with a 2G or 3G. Then make sure to toggle VoLTE on to activate it. After that, go ahead and restart your iPhone to finalize the changes. And that's it. You've successfully activated your VoLTE on your iPhone, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.